Ano, Evelina Mikelha, and welcome to Kumufat's Views. As you see on the screen, I'm going to react to Stars and Raindrops by Seungmin. This is not my first time hearing it. I hear it when it comes to the playlist, but this is going to be my first time looking at the lyrics. And this was actually requested by my fellow stays who found my channel and subscribed. Thank you so much. It means a lot. But again, this is Seungmin, Stars and Raindrops, and he is from Stray Kids. So let's go.
끝까지 놓지 않았었다면 우린 다시 행복해졌을까. 소용없대도 생각이 자꾸 머릿속에서 자라나. 좀 더 잘했으면 잘 됐을까. 반대로 했다면 넌 웃었을까. 부질없다 다 아는데도 후회가 자꾸 가슴 속에서 커져가. 결국 혼자 남겨진 밤 우리의 추억이 별들이 되어 머리 위로 내려 끝없이 쏟아져요. 함께 했었던 아름다웠던 순간들이 반짝이면 나에게 들어와. 맘속에서 빛나요. 오늘도 나는 우리 그때 모습 그대로 잊지 못해요. 다시 누굴 사랑할 수 있다면 그때보다 더 좋을 수 있을까. 쓸데없다 다 의미 없다고 되뇌일 때 돌아오는 건 좋았던 기억들 뿐이야. 다시 혼자 남겨진 밤 너의 모습들이 별들이 되어 머리 위로 내려 끝없이 쏟아져요. 함께 했었던 아름다웠던 순간들이 반짝이며 빛나던 기억 끝엔 먹구름이 몰려와. 우리의 마지막 장면이 빗방울이 되어 머리 위로 내려 끝없이 쏟아져요. 붙잡고 있던 손을 놓았던 그 순간이 스며들면 나에게 들어와. 맘속에서 번져요. 오늘도 나는 우리 그때 모습 그대로 잊지 못해요.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it has a really groovy, vibey beat to it, but I was reading the words and it's kind of a sad song, yeah? I mean, he's went through a breakup and um he went through a breakup and having a little bit regrets and wondering if he was to give them a second chance, how would it be? I'm trying to look at I'm trying to look. So Seungmin wrote the lyrics. Wow. Because you know how for those of you that stay that um usually they use Bang Chan or another person, but the lyrics is written by Seungmin. And I'm gonna go actually look at the lyrics, just the lyrics without the song, because I found myself vibing to it, and then looking at the words, I'm like, am I supposed to be vibing to this? I mean, I love it. Sungmin is one of those that I favor in the group. I love them all. I gotta keep saying that. I love them all, but he is one that I kind of favor. So when you take a look at the words, yeah, if I hadn't let it go in the end, will we ever be happy again? It's useless. Everything is useless. Even if they say it's useless. Thoughts keep growing in my head. Would it have been better if I did better? Would you have laughed if I did the opposite? It's useless. Everything is useless, even though I know everything. Regret keeps growing in my mouth. So it's just he's having regret, right? And I like how the kind of the music and the lyrics and his singing builds up to the chorus, even in the pre-chorus where he goes, in the end, I'm left alone at this night. Our memories become stars. So poetic. Put it over your head. It is pouring endlessly. The beautiful times we had together, the moments sparkle. Come into me. Sometimes I think this may not be come into me, but come on to me. It shines in my heart. Today I'm going to show you. I can't forget you the way you are. If I could love someone again, could it be better than then? Right? He's thinking about things that he could have changed to make it better before it ended. Oh, when you say that everything is useless and meaningless, but only good memories come back, on this night, left alone again, your image becomes stars. Put it over your head. It is pouring endlessly. The beautiful times we had together, the moments sparkle, and then you get the bridge. At the end of the shining memories, dark clouds gather. Our last scene become drops of rain. And then he goes back to the chorus again, and I can't forget the way you are. Like, come on. um, it's the lyrics are very powerful, right? In a sense of longing for a lost love, longing for something that everyone has been telling you that it's useless, that you should just let it go. But then again, you get those times where your memories just come up, and you don't know you don't know how to act, and you just start to wonder and you start to regret about that lost love. And then remember on my last video I said us as Hawaiians sometimes we can use things like this kind of lyrics that we just went over and tie it into not only it being about a loved one, not only it being about someone we loved and lost along the way in our life, but something we used to be passionate about, something that we can relate to, right? That's the beauty of music, and the art of music is we have the ability to make the lyrics match something that relates to us, because sometimes people are too young to actually experience this kind of love, to experience this kind of emotions, but they may have felt these feelings of passion and love towards something else, like playing sports, singing, right? You can make it relate to you in some way, somehow, some form. That is the beauty, the power, and the art form of music and songs. But his vocals in here is so honey like to the ears. It's even the emotion in his voice. Even if I never know what the translation was, I would vibe to it, and I would still vibe to it, because that's the kind of vibe that the music gives off. But then, like his vocals in the verses, in the pre-chorus, all lead up to that, not really explosive, but that strong chorus, and then it tapers back down towards the verse into the pre-chorus. It builds up again. I love that. I absolutely love that. Sungmin did a wonderful job with this. The lyrics are very touching and relatable. Okay, I hope that my friends that requested this enjoyed my reaction to this and enjoyed my interpretation of it. Stays out there. Remember, Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. You make Stray Kids Day. We love them, and they have a single coming out in May 10th. Be on the lookout for that. Mika Paulele Poleno Ole. Until next time, aloha. Yee.